Welcome to today's daily message. The reading that I'd like to focus on today is the responsorial psalm given to us by the church. The refrain to that psalm reads, "In justice I shall behold your face, O Lord." And it makes us wonder, what exactly does the psalmist mean when he says, "In justice I shall behold your face, O Lord"? He says, "Hear me, attend to my cry, incline your ear, hear my word." I think these simple phrases have two important meanings for us. First of all, I think it means that when we do the work of justice, that is when we will behold the Lord's face. So when we do the work of justice, when we see to it that those who are denied justice receive what is their due, it is then that we see the Lord's face on earth. When those who are denied their rights receive their rights, when those who are denied their food and shelter and their education, when we advocate for those people, that is when we see the Lord's face. So it is in doing the actual work of justice that we see God in the world. And secondly, I think that little phrase means when we see the face of someone who is treated unjustly, it is then that we see the Lord's face. So to look into the face of the immigrant who is being detained, to look into the face of the homeless person, to look into the face of someone who is denied their rights. When we look into the face of that man, that woman, that child, we can see the Lord's face. And so I think this simple little responsorial psalm is packed with meaning for us, that when we do the work of justice, when we participate in God's work, that's when we see God's face. And when we see the face of someone who does not receive justice, when we look into the face of that person, we can see the face of God. Thank you so much for watching today. Have a great day.